Namaste friends. In this video we are going to see how to perform split plot design analysis using agrianalyze.com. So the output PDF will look something like this. So it will tell us like sowing method was main plot, then subplot, and what are the levels, what are the number of replications, observations, and overall mean. After that you will have your null hypothesis. So there were four null hypotheses regarding replication, main plot, subplot, and interaction between main plot and subplot. Then it will have ANOVA. Then it will have other statistics like SEM, SED, LSD value, and coefficient of variation for main plot, that is CVA, and CVB, that is coefficient of variation for subplot. Then it will have interpretation of ANOVA results, and after that it will perform mean multiple comparison test of your choice. It can be your LSD test, DNMRT test, or Tuckey's test. Then it is doing for main plot, then multiple comparison test for subplot, and interaction between main plot and subplot. And if you can see the same thing is repeated for the second trait. So first one I have shown you, that was for yield. This is for plant height. If you have 10 such traits, 20 such traits, then it will do analysis for all the traits simultaneously and club them in one PDF report and share with you guys. Now let's see first how to arrange the data. So Agri Analyze platform accepts data in CSV format. Let me just zoom in for you guys. So first I am keeping my replication, then I am keeping main plot. So make sure this name is small in size. Okay, if it's bigger in size, no issue, but like up to sowing method, it's like keep this headings small. Then fertilizer dose, that is my subplot, and then we have yield, that is our dependent variable, then followed by plant height. If you have 20 such traits, place these 20 such traits besides one another. Okay, I am also sharing this file in the description box, so feel free to check out. If you want to explore it in detail, then the link is given in the description box. Let's just directly jump to the website. So the name of the website is agrianalyze.com, agrianalyze.com. So this is the homepage of the website. Analytical tool, go to analytical tool, then split plot design is a part of design of experiment, so select design of experiment. In there we have split plot analysis, and in that we have simple split or split 1 1. That is our simple split plot design. There are also other variants available: split 2 1, split 1 2, split CRD, and split pooled. That is, split pooled is for if you have repeated split experiment for different locations or for different year. So we have a simple split plot. I am clicking on this first option. Now we need to select the CSV file. So this is a choose file option. You upload, we can upload the CSV file. This is my CSV file that I have already shown to you. If you want to practice that, the link is also given in the description box. Then click on open. Once the CSV file got accepted by the system, it passes through some checks, like there must not be negative values and there must not be blank values and stuff like that. And the main plot, all the levels must be repeated same number of times, and so on. So once it passes all our checks, we can see this in red, that is file successfully uploaded. After that, in main plot we need to select our main plot. Our sowing method was my main plot, then subplot was fertilizer dose was my subplot, then replication. So now we are left with our two variables, dependent variable yield and plant height. If you have chosen, if you have added like 10 variables, you will be seeing your 10 variables here. There are three options for multiple comparison tests. LSD is the most popularly used by researchers. I am selecting LSD. If you want, you can explore the other two options, that is Duncan's multiple range test and popularly known as DNMRT test. And then third option is Tucky's HSD test. Honestly, significant difference test. You can choose up to your requirement. Then click on submit button. Also, there is need help button of WhatsApp. So if you are stuck with somewhere, you are uploading your CSV and your CSV is not getting uploaded successfully, or you are getting any type of issue regarding this website, then you can just click on this need help button. This will directly connect with me and you can share your queries on WhatsApp. I will be very happy to help you out. After that, click on the submit button. Once you click on the submit button, it will give you some summary, basic summary, that main plot has 3 levels, subplot has 10 levels, replication has 3 levels, total number of observations were 90, number of variables were 2, that is yield and plant height, research price is 99. So currently it's free, our website is under development, so you will not be paying any charge. But once it gets functional, we will be keeping nominal charges like 100 to 100 rupees only. Click on the submit button. Once you click on the submit button, you can see download option. Click on this download. Once you click on this download, you will get this PDF. This PDF I have already shown to you. So link of this PDF is also given in the description box. This is the most easiest way to get split plot analysis done without writing a single code, and that also along with the interpretation. The best part is, like, non-statistician student fumble with the interpretation of ANOVA results, so they also don't need to bother. The interpretation is written automatically in this report. I hope you find this tool very useful, and if you have any type of suggestion, we are currently under development, so please feel free. You can just click on this need help and directly connect with me, or you can see this number, you can just WhatsApp me your suggestion. I would be very happy to help you out. Thank you for watching this video.